Welcome back to the PowerPoint for Professionals series. Ever watched a presentation that felt like a movie? Today I'll show you how to create seamless storytelling using advanced transitions like morph, fade, and more. Transitions are more than eye candy. They help maintain flow, emphasize ideas, and control the pace of your story. The morph transition creates cinematic motion by recognizing identical objects across slides and animating their change. Morph is perfect for showing changes in data, zooming into parts of a graphic, or shifting focus. Pairing transitions can make your presentation feel polished. Use fade for subtle entry, then morph for a wow effect. Use section break slides with strong transitions to signal a shift in topic, and give your audience a mental pause. Too many transition types can distract your audience. Stick to 1 to 2 styles to maintain a professional tone. That's how you use advanced transitions to transform your slides into a narrative journey. Up next, animation timing and triggers for even deeper control. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next episode.